This video is for the burnt out girlies who are ready to reclaim their peace. So, today's video is all about life organization, and I'm going to teach you 3 tips on how to organize your morning for a productive. First one actually becomes before the morning itself. You're going to plan your morning the night before. This is one of my favorite tips to either give my clients or my students. If you want to have a great day, plan it out. So you're going to get your planner the night before. You're going to give yourself your top 3 to 6 priorities. Put that in your planner, go to sleep, and then watch them manifest. Number 2, you're going to do something for you first. Before you do something for the kids, before you do something for your boo, before you do something for your job, do something for you first. What does that look like? That can look like doing yoga. That can look like listening to a meditation. It could even just look like listening or saying affirmations to yourself. But you have to get in the habit of, my dear, beautiful friend, is to put yourself first, no matter what. And the first time we open our eyes, we set a strong example to the universe that we're important to ourselves by doing something for us first. So what I actually like to do is I like to say my gratitude first thing in the morning, and then I listen to a positive affirmation track. And I also move my body. So whether it's belly dancing or Pilates or yoga, I am doing one of those 3 things before I do something for anyone. Final tip is you're going to want to set your priorities for the day. Now, you planned out your day, but sometimes things happen, plans can be fuddled, but you now have what your plans were the night before, and then you're going to turn them into priorities. And then you're going to feel so good when you cross them off. So, if you're not using a planner, you need a planner or at least a notebook to start organizing your mind so that you can have an organized life and you can enter your well nourished era. Follow for more. This is just day 1 of our well nourished season, the 90-day series. If you like this video, make sure you follow so that you do not miss day 2 of our 90-day Well Nourished Era Series, where I am taking 90 days to help you enter your well nourished era so that you can feel blissful, peaceful, organized, and thriving instead of surviving. See you in the next one.